Welcome to Quantum Spectrum. In this video, we will be discussing the physics of swimming and how many laws of physics are involved when you swim. Swimming is a fun and relaxing activity, but it also involves a lot of physics that most people may not be aware of. Let's dive in and explore the fascinating physics of swimming. When you swim, you experience buoyancy, which is the upward force exerted on your body by the water. This buoyancy is due to Archimedes' principle, which states that the upward force exerted on a body immersed in a fluid is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the body. This principle allows you to float on the surface of the water and also affects your swimming speed and efficiency. As in jogging, Newton's second law of motion is also at play when you swim. The force you apply with your arms and legs propels you forward, and the more force you apply, the faster you swim. This law also applies to the resistance you experience while swimming, which is due to the water's viscosity and your body's shape and size. The law of action-reaction also applies to swimming. When you kick your legs or pull your arms through the water, you create a force that propels you forward, and the water pushes back with an equal and opposite force. This action-reaction pair allows you to move forward through the water. Bernoulli's principle states that as the speed of a fluid increases, its pressure decreases. This principle explains why swimmers use streamlined shapes and techniques to reduce drag and increase speed. By reducing the resistance caused by the water, swimmers can move through the water with greater efficiency and speed. So, next time you go for a swim, remember that you are following the laws of physics without even realizing it. From buoyancy and Archimedes' principle to Newton's second law of motion and Bernoulli's principle, swimming involves a lot of physics that makes it an exciting and fascinating activity. So, go ahead, enjoy your next swim, and appreciate the beauty of physics in action. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative and enjoyable.